What's going on, guys? I am True Racer, and today is the day I'm going to finalize my computer build. Okay, I have successfully tricked the wife into telling her I'm just buying upgraded parts. To the point where I bought enough upgraded parts that I have a completely new computer, and then this one as more or less a backup slash spare slash I don't know, a regular desktop computer. So yes, I'm completely stoked. I already put the new motherboard, graphics card, and processor in this one in my last video. And then this video, I'm going to get the new case. I just got a new case more or less because I needed it so I can have two computers. I'm going water cooled so that I can overclock my my CPU, and then a slightly bigger power supply, and mostly a modular power supply so I can have some sort of cable management, because this is hideous. So hopefully this should go good. Hopefully this is, I guess, my second time doing any major computer repairs slash upgrades slash whatever. So I'm gonna have a blast. I'm gonna stay static free, and hopefully everything works out perfectly, and we'll have two rockstar PCs. Also, as a note, as you can see here, I scratched the wife's table last time when I was doing the build. It did not go over smoothly, and I got to make sure to be extra careful, otherwise I might be looking for another wife. But nevertheless, let's open this box up first. Get the new case ready to rock and roll, so I can just take the motherboard and everything out of there, plop it in, and start everything fresh and easy. All right, let's do this. Seriously this time. Well, that hopefully wraps up this build. It went relatively easy. No major malfunctions just yet, but I still haven't plugged it in. I'm opting out of the optical drive. I don't need it. That's just extra cables. It already has everything. It already has the operating system on it, so I don't need it. And if I do, I can easily just plug it in. The only one thing I didn't really like was the cables for the GPU. It just looked all weird and shitty if I would have ran it to the side and over there. So I decided to kind of do an different kind of thing. Maybe I'm the first one in the world to do it. Maybe I'm not. But I just wanted I like how it ran straight down and underneath the power supply. It kind of looks pretty cool, and it looks like, I don't know, it looks like I meant to do it because I did, and it doesn't look too bad. So I'm sticking with it. I debadged my power supply like a gangster because, I mean, I didn't really like the yellow stickers they had in there. I kind of like the straight black look. I tried to take the blue here off of the GeForce GTX 970 graphics card, but I failed to do that, so it's staying on there, I guess. Other than that, it looks pretty good. Let's plug it in and overclock the shit out of it. That's basically why I got the bigger case, so I can go with the water-cooled system. So it should be good. Let's plug it in for real now, and hopefully I won't see you guys again in the kitchen. Hopefully. Okay, I'm back. First startup was a failure. I got a CPU fan not turning on, but I don't know what it was because I checked the front two were on, and then this one was on back here. So let me open it up and look in there real quick. We'll see what we can find. We're finished. We're done. That's it. It's about 2 hours later of when I first said I was finished. I'm finally done. Some minor problems came up. The first problem was, well, actually the main problem was the first problem was I actually didn't put the power cable into my hard drive. Forgot that cable. Don't tell anybody about that. So it wasn't booting up really at all. Or it was going straight into the BIOS, and then it wasn't getting the fan because it didn't have the drivers to, I don't know, blah 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 blah. Got that plugged in. And then it kept freezing on boot up, which really aggravated me because I didn't want to have to do a clean install and I would have lost everything, even though I just did all that crap a couple weeks ago. I didn't want to have to do it again. But I put my my graphics card in the slot above where it was, right? Because somebody on the internet told me that I should put it in the above slot because it goes faster there or something. I don't know. I trusted the internet. I was wrong. So I ended up just, after getting really aggravated with it freezing on startup, I just said, whatever, I'm just going to put it back to the way I had it in the old computer, in the old setup, and I just put it back, the graphics card back down the bottom one, started right up, and man, it's a good feeling when you get it going after immense headaches. But nevertheless, we are hooking and jabbing. This weekend, after I make sure everything's running nicely, I'll probably overclock it to make sure to get the most out of it. And I'm pretty stoked about it. It's got the nice, clean, black look to it. And now I have all the parts to make a second computer, which I might do as a second streaming computer or just have it over here for further gaming and stuff like that. Not sure. But that is it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think. That's it, guys. Until next time, stay true and race on.